We're singing one song, that the government should confirm the interns. The magic number is 44,000, not 26,000. Confirm our fellow intern teachers. As a JS teacher, I stay in the same staff room with the same teachers. I pay a different share and they are not covered. What is so different with them? We are saying our intern teachers, they are people who have gone to the university, they have a degree, and they deserve to be treated well. The government of this Kenya should respect the teachers. Teachers are the most important people in this country. We are saying confirm the 44,000 teachers. And on Monday, we will down our tools and go to the streets.
Maandamano hapa Machakos yanaanza on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday na Thursday na Friday kama ibada. Tutaandamana hadi serikali itusikize. Tumekuwa tumenyamaza tukiwapea nafasi ya kutafuta pesa na sasa hivi hakuna pesa imetafutwa. Na maandamano yatakuwa mengi, pia SHA haifanyi kazi. Walimu wanapatiwa limit ya 1200. Hiyo ndio mnaita comprehensive cover. Sisi walimu tunasema kama si comprehensive cover turudishiwe Minet. Kwa sababu Minet hata ilikuwa na life cover ya mwalimu. Minet ingepeleka mwalimu India. Minet ilikuwa na hospitali ambazo kama Nairobi West. Walimu wengi walisaidika sana na Nairobi West.
There's a rumor that they are only going to confirm only 20,000, but we want to tell them that the court has already pronounced that internship is illegal. So we want to tell them that they should be ready. They should be ready. And to our parents at home, we just want to tell them that come next week, our teachers will not be in school if the government does not abide to our request.